Splashing up, but like I feel like I'm on a water slide and the water is up to the curb. D.N.A. Fair, what's good? It's your boy Dave. Welcome to the channel. I'm back with another video. We are in Ocean City today. Well, actually, we got in Ocean City yesterday, and despite the rain, we still had a good time. But I will say, there we go. Try to get some light in here. But yeah, folks, we're in Ocean City. It kind of sucks because wet and cool all weekend. I think currently right now it's about 52 degrees or 60 degrees and it is raining. So it makes the day kind of shitty. But you know, it is what it is. But that still doesn't stop the grind. That still doesn't stop us from, you know, moving on. Here you can see we have the Firebird Trans Am out front catching rain. Yeah, quick tour. This is a house tour. So this is the, I guess you can consider the family room. It has a enclosed porch area. It's actually not bad. It's pretty, it's a good sized kitchen. Yeah, we got a decent sized kitchen. Makes room for plenty of space. There's the garage area, in which, as you can see, we have the C7 Corvette and the 7 Series, all out of the elements. Nice size garage. This home boasts 2 queen size rooms, a king size, and then upstairs it has they converted an area into another bedroom. This is the king size room. If I can get a light on. It's actually not a bad home. Has a fire pit. The pole with the little ball. I remember as kids we used to try to see if we could slap the ball as hard as we can or hit nearby people. Here's the deck area, which leads to the enclosed area, the grill. But as I said, it's been raining all morning. It's pretty cool out. I'm not sure if we'll be able to get a chance to grill. Well, let me rephrase that. I'm not sure I'll get a chance to grill today, just because there's no direct opening or covering. And I'd just be pretty much standing out there and getting soaked. Nice sized bathroom. Has a pretty large, oh yeah, large shower, considering this is the master. And so, oops, turn that off. As we go out, we have bedrooms. There's bedroom 1. Queen, shared bath, and bedroom 2. So, yeah, I mean, overall, it's a nice home, a nice, quiet, private neighborhood. Not a whole lot of traffic, but you know, we're in Ocean Pines, Maryland, to be exact. So, anyway, about to get breakfast started. A little something slight. Gotta figure out what we're gonna do today. Like I said, with the rain, put a damper. You know, we can hit the boardwalk, we can hit the strip, but in terms of, you know, being out, it won't be the same. So anyway, I'll catch y'all in a few. find it calming driving over a bridge. Currently we're on the Ocean City Expressway, which is I think the first bridge. There's another bridge that's coming up. Like I said, man, it's a pretty crappy day. Extremely cold, like 55 degrees, raining, and it's gonna be like this all day today and pretty much all weekend. So that's gonna limit any beach activities, outdoor events. The car scene up here is gonna probably be dead more than likely just because of the weather. So, you know, just try to, again, make light of you know, sitting in the house chilling. You know, we was rapping, had some good vibes, but yeah, we're limited to, you know, again, what we can do from an outdoor. You know, we're forced to only look at like indoor activities. So anyway, we'll see y'all in a few. We'll see what we come up with next.
I want to see you too.
All right, so we're at Tail Chasers Raw Dog Bar that Aaron found. I said we had tailback.
I'll take credit for it.
Tail Chasers Raw. No, hell no. I found this shit.
Right, you talking about I found this shit. I'll take credit.
Well, this is interesting on the menu. The D's.
They price good though. Huh?
All right, so we just left the restaurant to get something to eat, and the rain has increased, the winds have increased, and it's really crazy down here. Like, just driving, I'm on the second to the right lane, and the amount of water that is shooting up is insane. Let me turn around and see if you guys can see this. Like, it's really insane. Like, I don't know if you can see the cars splashing up, but like, I feel like I'm on a water slide and the water is up to the curb. You guys can see the water is literally up to the curb. Like, this is crazy. Like, I'm legit concerned because of how high the water is. And my buddy, Rob, is in his Corvette, and so for him, he's trying to stay away, as far away from the right lane as possible, because that's where the water buildup is. I'm gonna probably jump over myself, because it's really crazy out here. Just got a message, driver assistance temporary reduced. Yeah, so the camera in the front lower bumper of my car is completely covered in water, so I'm getting the like, look at this. This is crazy. Matter of fact, shoot, I might get over myself. Because, yeah, getting closer to that right lane is crazy. Like, the amount of water. It literally looks like a pool. It literally looks like a swimming pool. That's how much rain is coming down. So those who have, you know, the big trucks, easy for them to navigate and travel through. You know, I have all-wheel drive, but still, this is a insane amount of water or rain that's coming through. So definite concerns for that. Yeah, I'm triggering all types of alerts, and my camera's going off, radar's going off. Like, this is insane. So yeah, hopefully, you know, we can make it back to the house. I was gonna make a stop to grab a bottle, but it looked like, yeah, that's not happening. So anyway, I'm gonna hit y'all. Hopefully I can make it back in one piece.